Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the issue of industry water use continues to be a concern. We still have oil sands production using a minimum of 2 barrels of water per barrel of oil, and other methods of resource extraction anticipate using more water, not less water. So my questions are to the Minister of the Environment. How can the Minister be certain that the current system is able to handle increasingly water-intensive, unconventional oil and gas production?
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, the issue of the use of water is dealt with in 2 ways. First of all, we have a requirement in place that particularly for injection uses, and the member referred to some of the new types of oil exploration and industrial work that requires water that they have as first choice and be able to demonstrate to the satisfaction of the department that saline water is not available. So that deals with part of it. The other part is that we put maximums on the amount of water that can be withdrawn to protect the integrity of the stream itself.
The Honourable Member.
Thank you very much. Well, given that some of Alberta's biggest oil sands producers have said they would not voluntarily stop pulling water during low stream flow, is the government going to make compliance compulsory to save our water? It has to be compulsory.
Well, Mr. Speaker, the issue here is that the total amount of water that is currently under license on the Athabasca River is a minute portion of the overall stream flow. What we're talking about is future users that will come on stream. And in that respect, Mr. Speaker, we've made it very, very clear that the in-stream flow needs of the Athabasca River and virtually any other river in Alberta will have to be recognized before there is industrial use.
The Honourable Member.
Thank you. Back to the same minister. Some companies are still using fresh water in deep formations for enhanced oil recovery. Will the minister ban this practice?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, again, it's not so black and white, and it would be nice if it were. But the fact of the matter is, as I've already indicated in the answer to my first question, that there is a requirement that the primary source of water for these kinds of facilities would be saline water, would be brackish water, would be salt water, Mr. Speaker. There are certain circumstances where there is not access to that source of water, and in those circumstances, and those circumstances only, they can receive a waiver.
Honourable